If you are a Qlik Sense Cloud Business user, you can use the built-in Facebook fan pages and groups connector to load Facebook data into your app. To access the Facebook fan pages and groups connector, open the script editor and click Create New Connection. Click on the Facebook fan pages and groups connector. The connector dialog will open. Here, you'll need to authenticate the connector with your Facebook login credentials. When you click Authenticate, you are redirected to the Facebook authentication page. Log in and then copy the authentication code. Go back to your Qlik Sense Cloud tab and enter the authentication code into the connector dialog. Click Verify to save the authentication code to the connector. Click Test the connection to confirm that the connector can communicate with your Facebook account. You can change the name of the connection at the bottom on the dialog, or you can leave the default name. After you click Create, the connection appears in the Data Connections panel. If you want to keep your Facebook data load script separate, you can open a new script tab before you open your connection. To build your data load script, click the Select Data icon on the connector. From this dialog, you can select which data tables to load. For example, you can get the page information by loading the page table. You'll need to enter the Facebook page ID to retrieve this data. The page ID appears at the end of the URL. Copy and paste it into the page ID field. Click Preview Data to view the type of data that you will get from this data table. You can see that this table includes information like page category, a description of the page, and the company overview. Select Feed and enter the same page ID. You can also specify a starting data point from which to import data. When you click Preview Data, you see the data that is available from this table from the specified start date. You can deselect the columns that you do not want to load. After you select which columns to include, click Insert Script. This will create a load script and place it in your script editor. Click Load Data to run the script, which will fetch your data and load it into your app. Depending on the amount of data your script is fetching, this could take some time. When the load process finishes, go to your app and create a new sheet. Now, you will see all the Facebook fields that were loaded. Let's create a quick example using our Facebook data. Let's add the feed name and the total likes. As you can see, Qlik Sense returns a bar chart showing the sum of likes for each specific feed. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to receive new content every week.